Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm going to show you something real quick. This is going to be how to mount a tire without using a tire machine on a new wheel with a new tire, just in case this is something you have to do. So first off, you want to get some kind of rubber conditioner on the rubber, and then you can get it on the wheel on the back side. I like to make sure that my dot is by my valve stem. Right now I have this tire mounted on top, or sitting on top of another wheel. And this probably doesn't work as well with like a low profile tire, but if you're mounting larger like off-road style tires, this is certainly something that can be done. Just like that. So just over a minute, tire's mounted, and now I just got to air it up. I still got to get it balanced, but it's on the wheel. So that might save you some time, or at least some money. But anyway, that's it, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back for more. Thank you.